Hey guys, I'm making this video for everybody out there who has a problem with logging into the Microsoft account, like the Microsoft Planner. We're not ready for you yet. Now, it took me half an hour to figure this out, and it blew my mind. So what it actually is, I'm going to show you right now what you need to do. It's super simple. So the reason why it's happening is because you don't have a license added to your account. This is mind-blowing. So let's say that you're gonna have your own account and you're going to buy a license like the Microsoft 365 Business Basic. Now the problem with this is that when you're gonna buy it, it's not going to be automatically added to your account. So what you need to do is go to users, active users, and here you're gonna have like your own account where you're gonna be like, just write Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Blew my mind. So now I'm just going to click here on the account, and what you need to do when you're gonna have it, then you're gonna have licenses and apps. And here you have to actually do and click here Microsoft 360 Business Basic license and click yes. And then save changes. That's it. And here you're gonna have all the apps. Crazy. Half an hour just trying to figure it out. Man, I'm so angry. Mamma mia. So yeah, just do this and look at here. It didn't work for half an hour. I'm welcoming the planner. I just want to do this quick tutorial for everybody out there because, you know, this Microsoft bullshit is crazy. It's like, I completely get why people are so stressed out and everything. So this is crazy. Mamma mia. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.